Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are back at the J. Crew factory store to see what they have in stock for the fall. I did find some beautiful pieces, as you can see here. This is a little preview. I did learn some things. I was told that the sale prices change and the promotions change every Wednesday. On this particular day, we had many items 40% off, 50% off, and even 60% off. But check back, they do price adjustments. And I do have to go back. I made several purchases and some of the prices changed from yesterday till today. So keep track of your receipts in that way. They will honor it. I'm really excited to try on some of these fall items. I even found a pair of shoes. I'm really not sure if the shoes are going to work or not, but I thought it would be fun to try them on and see how everything goes. Also in store, I just wanted to take a quick note. If you are looking at certain trends but don't want to fully jump in, they have items like this really cute belt. They also have scarves, and everything is, again, always on sale from the price that you see. And this is the scarf. I'm just going to say it. I did buy it. It is so cute. I think it will be really cute to wear as an accessory, but also to wrap on some of my more plain purses. First up, we're looking at this striped top. It is 100% polyester. I'm showing it in a size small. I hesitate to say prices because, again, this one was like 50% off, but full price, they say it is $79.50. I think it's really pretty, but it does come in 5 different color options and prints. It also comes in petite. It goes from sizes double extra small to 3X. I love the fit on this top, and I love that it is office friendly, but it does not have an actual collar. It does have functioning buttons. It's very comfortable and lightweight. And even though it was polyester, I didn't feel too hot and stuffy. It was a very lightweight fabric. I think it would be really cute, either untucked with a belt around it if you wanted to, but also, of course, tucked in. That's how I usually wear my items. And it was nice and comfortable enough that it could easily go under a jacket. Here I have it styled with these amazing trouser jeans. I did buy the trouser jeans. They are high rise and the inseam is 30 inches, but they do come in petite and tall as well. I got mine in a size 29 and I am on the heavier end for my current weight, and they felt so comfortable. I will not have to do any kind of alterations at all on these, and they come in several different washes, 6 different washes, I believe. They are truly great. Now, I do love my Walmart trouser jeans, but I wear them so often and they are a little bit of a lighter wash that I thought that my closet could definitely hold these as well, and I know I'm going to be wearing them a ton. Also, here we have a striped lady jacket. It is 100% cotton, and I absolutely love that about this lady jacket. It also comes in another color option. It was more of like a tan with an off-white as well. It is on the crop side, and I do have a shorter torso, so you have to be aware of that as well. It does not have the front patch pockets, and I actually love that because it gives it a much cleaner line, and it's really just soft and comfortable, but kind of a medium to thick weight cotton. Really comfortable. What I will say about this piece, though, is that I don't think it's very easily worn without something underneath it, because if you do lift up your arms, especially if in a work environment, you are going to show your torso, and the buttons kind of pop open just a little bit here and there. You know, you just have to be a little bit careful with it, but overall, it's a beautiful lady jacket, and the price they're saying is $138, but again, you're looking at 40, 50, 60% off, so it is really comparably priced to other stores. All right, this gray sweater, I love it, but I don't. It is so soft, so comfortable. It's beautiful. It is actually an acrylic polyamide mixed sweater, but for some reason, it is literally just butter soft and comfortable. What I do not like about it, though, is that it actually is a longer line sweater. and it has the side slits. Now, to me, those sweaters need to be worn maybe a little bit more oversized with some more fitted pants, things like that. But that's just not working for my personal body type. But if you love that look, then I would suggest maybe get your true to size or size up just one, because here I am showing it in a size small and you can see how it fits me there. Otherwise, it's an absolutely incredible sweater. I just know that I would be tucking it in all the time. So this one's going to stay in store for me. Can you believe it comes in 9 different color options? And I believe 2 of them were striped. So you are definitely going to find one that goes with whatever your wardrobe is, especially if you have like a capsule wardrobe. All right, this red top is so comfortable. I will say this one did come home with me. This is the Girlfriend Tee. It's 100% cotton, showing it in a size small. And it is actually on sale for $16.95 right now. So I am considering buying a couple more. What I did though is I bought the red one, and then I actually bought the Girlfriend Tee in a short sleeve version as well in gray, which I did not show, but the fit is basically the same on these. I love that the crew neck comes down just a little bit so it doesn't feel choky on your neck. The sleeve length is great and fitted, so it's definitely going to be easily worn underneath other items. And this fun like tomato red color is absolutely gorgeous. It comes in a million different colors as well though, and it's just so soft. And at this price point, I can't believe it because it's truly a great quality top. And here I have it just tucked into those trouser jeans, and I would be so comfortable just wearing this outfit. Here we have a sweater vest. I'm showing it in a size small. As you can see, I wouldn't really be super comfortable wearing it just as is because it does pop out in the back and you kind of can see your bra. Other than that though, it's very comfortable. It's also that acrylic polyamide mix, showing it in a size small if I didn't mention that already. It does come in several colors. One thing I thought about though is this is the Girlfriend Tee again. You could easily layer one of those underneath it. It would look great with a collared shirt as well. So I think that if you're in the market for these, they are comfortable. They are pretty reasonably priced. You're probably going to end up paying somewhere between $35 to $40 for it, which is pretty on par with everybody else that you're going to find in other stores. This pink cardigan is really beautiful. It's the same acrylic polyamide mix. It's so soft and comfortable, but this one is a cable knit, and I do like it. It comes in a lot of colors. This one, though, I'm actually showing it in an extra small because it is supposed to run bigger, and, you know, it's supposed to be a true cardigan that you throw over your clothes. Me, however, I did grab it in an extra small because I'm still on the hunt for a cardigan that I can wear alone as well. And this one's a little bit low cut though. This top did come home with me. It also comes in a million different color options, but I chose the leopard print just for something fun this season. Showing it in a size small. It is 100% cotton, and it is such a nice lightweight knit. I almost don't want to call it a sweater, but it's the perfect sweater for very mild climates, or you can actually use this more as a long sleeve t-shirt if you live in very cold climates. It's so comfortable. It's one of those tops that you're probably going to catch yourself almost going to sleep in like pajamas. That is how wonderful these 100% cotton tops are. I'm really considering buying a couple more because they truly had so many colors that you could just throw on. And I think that this is just an amazing staple piece for your wardrobe. Here I just have it styled, I believe, with the same trouser pants. To be honest, these were the only pants that I tried on today. They just worked perfectly and I didn't want to take them off. I'm so excited about them. I think they're really cute, and I think that they really just show that you can wear almost any type of a top with them, especially these beautiful knit sweaters. And these can be tucked in or just tucked under. They have a really great length on them. Really happy with it. Here we have a Sherpa style pullover. It's saying full price $128, but at the time I tried it on, it was on sale for $64.50. The one thing I love about it is it does cover the zipper, so the zipper never touches your body. However, when you do fully zip it up, it is very uncomfortable. So I really couldn't ever use it in that way completely, especially if it was really cold outside. You could fold it down. I really am kind of This is a mixed bag for me. I didn't really like that it doesn't have elastic on the armbands. So if you do pull up the sleeves, they don't really stay. It does have a little bit of a funky fit around the bottom, and then there are no pockets. And I would definitely wear this as an outerwear piece. It is a pullover, quarter zip, and I like pockets in these types of pieces. The fabric, however, is extremely comfortable, and I did think that it would be really cute if maybe you bought an oversized one and you do like wearing things with like more fitted jeans or leggings. I think an oversized one would be great. I'm showing it in a size small. It is 100% polyester, and if I didn't mention it already, it does come in 4 different color options if you are interested in it. I do like the quality of the fabric. I think it's definitely worth it for that part of it, but I'd still prefer some other details before I would take one home. This leopard print satin midi skirt is 100% polyester. It was, I think, $98 they were saying, but again, I paid about $49.50 for it at the time. It also comes in petite. I'm showing this in a size medium, and it is definitely giving me plenty of extra room, which I actually like. I didn't want it to be extremely fitted, and it comes in 8 different color and print options. Now, this, I will say, is worth it. I actually purchased it, and I've already worn it. I bought it on a Tuesday, and I wore it on Wednesday. I love this. I threw it on with some Birkenstocks and a short sleeve t-shirt. But, you know, as you can see here, I paired it with that really fun tomato red t-shirt. So I think that you could do something like that. But it's also going to be great with sweaters and jackets and boots in the late fall and to the winter season. I love this skirt. It's so comfortable. Here I'm just showing these gold shoes. I did grab a pair of their shoes to try on. I'm going to say no to these shoes. These are the slingback flats. I tried them in my smaller size, 9.5, and they were still falling off the back of my feet. They just weren't comfortable or worth the money. Last but not least, I grabbed this even after the major try-on, so you're not going to see as much footage. This is the softest flannel I've ever tried on in my life. Not only did I buy this in a size small, but I ordered the black and white one. I cannot wait to get it into my house. The black and white one just wasn't available in my size in store. Oh my gosh, I have not owned a flannel in probably 5 or 6 years, and I just went and bought 2. I just love the simplicity of this. It does come in 6 other color options though, and it also comes in petite sizing. All shopping links will be in the description box below and over on the LTK app. Make sure you hit like and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, I'll see you soon.